Hello students, now we are going to start with the homework. I have given you to calculate the electric field inside the charge shell. This case is very simple. We have considered a charge shell. Basically, a shell on the surface of which a positive charge is scattered. And you need to know one simple thing, that is the charge does not exist inside द शेल. कोई भी अगर सफेरिकल शेल है, सिलेंड्रिकल शेल है, चार्ज कभी भी उसके अंदर नहीं होता. इट इज़ ओनली प्रेजेंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अवर शेल, वेदर इट इज़ सिलेंड्रिकल शेप, वेदर इट इज़ सफेरिकली शेप्ड. सो that is only present on the surface. Therefore the charge inside the shell is zero. The charge inside the shell is zero, and as the charge is zero, ultimately the value of electric field is also zero. So that is the simple answer, that the electric field inside the charge shell is nothing but equal to zero. Moving to the next topic. What is electric potential difference? What is electric potential difference? Electric potential difference between 2 points A and B in the electric field of the source charge is defined as the work done in moving the positive charge from A to B. How or what it is writing? We are also going to calculate the value of electric potential. First, write it over here. First, you need to know the meaning of these important lines. And I am going to explain you this thing by a diagram. What I have written? I have written the electric potential difference between 2 points A and B. The electric potential difference between 2 points A and B in the electric field of source charge is defined as the work done in moving the charge from A to B. How? It simply means that we have a positive test charge, or we have this is our source charge. Source charge means the charge that is producing the electric field, or the charge in which the other charges will experience some force, or we have to do some work in moving the charges in the field produced by this particular charge. How? Plus Q is our positively source charge, or a charge producing, say, the electric field E. A charge producing an electric field E. Now, electric potential difference, suppose we have 2 points A and B in this field. We have considered 2 points A and B in this electric field. हमने 2 points consider किए. What is electric potential? It is nothing but a work done in moving a test charge. When I have started with the unit, I have told you that we have a test charge. Test charge is that charge which is used to calculate or to know the amount of field produced by the source charge. Again I am repeating, test charge is that charge which is used to calculate or see the electric field produced by the source charge, which is in this case is plus Q. So, the work done in moving the positive test charge from point A to point B, कितना हमें वर्क करना पड़ेगा इस चार्ज को यहाँ से उठाकर यहाँ लाने में, वो हमारी इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है. that is given by VB minus VA. VB is the potential at point B. VA is the potential at point A. VB is the potential at point B and VA is the potential at point B, at point A. So the difference in this potential, the difference in the potentials at point B and at point A respectively is nothing but the electric potential difference, and it is given by work done in moving charge from A to B by test charge. This is the mathematical form of the statement which I have written over here. This is nothing but the mathematical form of the statement which I have written to you. Again, I am reading what we have. We have a positive test charge which is producing some field. We have 2 points, or we have considered 2 points in the electric field produced by our charge. And some work is required, or some work is done in moving the charge from point. So, electric potential difference is nothing but the work done in moving the charge, a test charge, from point A to the point B. And its expression is given by VB minus VA is equal to work done in moving the charge from point A to point B divided by that test charge which we are going to consider, or which we are moving from point A to point B. Now, what is electric potential? What is electric potential? And we also need to, or we are going to have a derivation for this. What is electric potential? It is defined as the work done in moving the unit positive charge from infinity to that point, or it is given by VB is equal to work done. Can you learn or understood something from this? Electric potential, it is very simple. Electric potential is nothing but the case of electric potential difference. Electric potential is nothing but the case for electric potential difference. How? If we have considered that this charge or the point A is present at infinity, हमारा जो A point है वो infinity पर present है. हमने पहले क्या कहा? What I have told you earlier that we are moving the test charge from point A to point B. हम अपने टेस्ट चार्ज को A पॉइंट से B पॉइंट की तरफ ला रहे हैं. अगर मैं ये कह दूं, अगर मैं स्टेटमेंट को थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई कर दूं और मैं ये कह दूं कि वी आर ब्रिंगिंग द चार्ज फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू पॉइंट B और द पॉइंट A इज प्रेजेंट एट इन्फिनिटी, I have tilted or modified the statement by the small amount. Then the electric potential difference would simply change to electric potential when we have considered at point A एट इन्फिनिटी, कि अब हम टेस्ट चार्ज को पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी नहीं ला रहे, अब हम टेस्ट चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी से लेकर के पॉइंट बी तक ला रहे हैं. तो जो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है दैट विल सिंपली चेंजेस टू द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. What is the modification or what is the derivation of electric potential? Due to the point charge. How we have to prove this thing, or how we can, or we are going to prove this thing? Again, we considered a positive charge, some electric field generated due to this charge, 2 points, point A and point B. This distance from source charge to point B is RB. The distance from source charge to point A is RA. Now let us consider two small points within A and B. Consider two small points at some gap between the 2 points, a point A and a point B, which are point P and a point Q respectively. Consider 2 points, a point P and a point Q between point A and B, which are point P and point Q respectively. And write down now. Consider that a charge Q naught is displaced from P to Q. Again I am repeating what we have done. अभी तक जो भी किया है इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल क्या है, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ प्रूफ फॉर इट एंड दिस आर्टिकल इज एक्चुअली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. What I have considered a positive charge. This positive charge is producing some electric field E. We have 2 points A, B, P and Q. Basically we have 4 points which we have placed in the path of electric field. Now RA is nothing but the distance of point charge or a source charge plus Q from point A. RB is the distance of source charge from point B. And consider a charge Q naught or a test charge Q naught is displaced from point P to a point Q. A charge is displaced from point P to the point Q. Now, what is the force on that test charge? What is the force on the test charge? उस test charge पर क्या force लगेगा? Okay. Firstly, considering by how much distance we have moved the charge from point P to point Q. Suppose by distance dx. We have moved the charge from point P to point Q by distance dx. So what is the work done in doing so? In order to displace some charge, we have to do some work done. And what is the work done in moving the charge from point P to point Q by a distance dx? Work done is given by dW is equal to F dot ds. That is dot product of force and the distance through which the test charge is moved. I have told you earlier that electric field is nothing but force per unit test charge. Electric field is nothing but force per unit test charge. Thus, the force is given by Q naught E. The force is given by Q naught E. The force is given by Q naught E. That is Q naught E dot dx. That is equal to E dx cos of theta. Here theta is nothing but the angle between E and dx. Now, how will you determine the angle between E and dx? How will you determine the angle between E and dx, the electric field vector E and the distance dx? See here. Electric field is in this direction. That simple thing understood to all of you, that electric field is in this direction. And our test charge is moving from P to Q by a distance dx. I have told you that we have displaced the charge from point P to point Q. So, electric field is in this direction again. Vector dx is in this direction. A vector dx is in this direction. Therefore, the angle between E and dx is what? The angle between E and dx is 180 degrees. The angle between E and dx is 180 degrees. Thus, the equation becomes equal to Q naught E dx cos of 180 degree minus Q naught E dx, that is the value of dw. We are going to integrate, or we are going to integrate it from the next lecture. Your homework is that you have to learn, you have to go through the concepts which we have done in today's lecture. Thank you.